Hello, my dear ones, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. Today, I've been asked to share with you a wonderful recipe. It comes from the Mediterranean, a truly Italian classic. They call it Frutti di Mare, which in English means fruits of the sea. Of course, we're talking about seafood and a nice glass of wine. Very Italian. Laura is going to show you exactly how to prepare it step by step. Take care of yourselves and enjoy this beautiful Italian seafood dish with a good wine, or even a cold beer.
Thank you. Now let's bring this beautiful Italian seafood antipasto to life. We start by bringing a large pot of water to a gentle boil. Then, add fresh lemon juice to the water. This will enhance the flavor of the seafood. Now carefully add the scallops, shrimp, squid, and mussels. Let them cook for about 5 minutes, just until tender. Once ready, drain the seafood and let it cool slightly. Then season lightly with salt and black pepper. In a separate pot, combine the diced red and green peppers with red wine vinegar. Let them cook gently for about 10 minutes. This step adds brightness and a beautiful Mediterranean flavor. Once done, allow the peppers to cool before combining. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine the seafood with the pepper mixture. Add olive oil, oregano, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Gently mix everything together. Take your time. Let the ingredients blend naturally. This is where the magic happens. Simple ingredients coming together beautifully. Now, we are going to transfer the mixture to a serving dish. Arrange it carefully for a clean and elegant presentation. Finish with freshly chopped parsley and a few lemon wedges for a bright, fresh touch. Serve it chilled or slightly fresh. A light, elegant dish, full of Mediterranean flavor. Thank you for being here with us today. It really means a lot. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe, like the video, and tap the bell so you are notified every time we share something new. Enjoy your Frutti di Mare, and have a beautiful day. See you in the next video.